Good morning, October 24th, Friday. Crooked face and all. I don't care. I'm not awake yet. Hard. It's like 10 o'clock or something. I'm not moving quite yet. Okay, pretty good week continuing. 163 yesterday, 37.66 this morning. And let's get going. So what do we got? I don't even know what the thumbnail's gonna be. Probably something stupid. No, L24. I gotta stay off the devices. Too much doom scrolling on the Instagram reels. I got something. I'm sorry. I know you probably can't hear me. Let's see. Anything going on? I listed some stuff last night, and some of it sold. At least one already sold. I remembered. Christmas. I feel like I got hit by a truck physically, and I didn't get to all the yard work I wanted to get to. My front yard's just 70% weeds, and I need to get out there. You little piggies. I need to get out there. I mowed short, but I have a one of those electric dethatchers. I need to do that. Scrape up the yard a little bit, and then overseed, and then put. I think I've already talked about this. Put peat moss down on it, but I was gonna do it yesterday, and then I go out to the garage. I'm like, I don't feel like doing this today, so I didn't. I gotta. That's the same way as last year. I just, you got to do it at the end of the year, but I didn't and haven't. He's just smarmy guy. So I should just probably call someone and spend the, I don't know, $200 to do the plug aeration. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably nothing. Go back upstairs and doom scroll. But yeah, I'm surprised. Knock on wood, the sales have been consistent. Just keep plugging away at it. I didn't. Besides those cars I listed last night, I haven't done much. Just the 50 earlier in the week. What we got N50. What is this? Fort Knox. No money there anymore, right? No gold. That. So what do we got? The weekend. I know there's some postcard shows going on. Check the link below. At the Whatnot, I'll be doing it right over there. Pounders edition. Nice private sale. Going to Germany. 10. Oh. Jesus. Trying to think if there's any questions. That matchbook guy, I've got like an automatic offer on his crap in my postcard category. But see, I don't know if you can file a complaint a day. I don't know how it works. I'm gonna keep at it. I hope you guys do too. I have no problem with him selling his matchbooks, just again, not in my category. Come on. I think I've showed you these. These are those Maru Japanese gorgeous cards. Where are you? Unknown. Probably the last one. It was the last one. That's a cool one. Too bad I couldn't figure out where it is. Main Street, downtown, Somewhere, USA. Now watch, there's probably a town called Somewhere, USA, and this person's gonna get it. And it's not my hometown. I don't know. It's a shame. Couldn't figure out anything on that. But I don't know what I sold it for. It's a cool scene. I got $10, $9 out of it. Any more AYs before I go down here? But no more AYs. Wow, I just got a whiff of the Christmas, like the fir tree, the candle, but the candle variety. Maybe even like a one of those hanging trees for your car. Maybe that's what it mostly smelled like. And to my knowledge, there's none of those in this basement. Yeah, it's like right behind me. I've said a couple times on my Whatnot shows that I think my basement feels like it's haunted. Or I got visitors. That. I'm surprised this one sold. Usually the Block House in Pittsburgh isn't that cool of a postcard. Maybe it's the advertising. I just listed this a month ago. Maybe weeks ago. Come on. There's going to be another one at the very end. But yeah, I got nothing. It really is a show about nothing today. I did put out a members video. It's shite, though. So, if you're curious about all the stuff on the membership side, $5, you can sign up below and watch it and cancel. Yeah, I don't even have any words to fill the void here. SS Memorial Castle. I always sell this one. I don't find it often. It's a constant seller, but it's also, I think, a higher priced card when you find it in the New Jersey section or shipwrecks or in the ships. Has branded on the back. Probably paid up. Is there a price on here? No price. Came down to see the Moro Castle. Wasn't that like in the 20s, 30s? I can't quite remember. Or earlier, when it beached itself in Asbury Park. Okay, AP 14. Got a couple APs here. Women's Club. What else? I honestly don't have anything in my brain right now. Women's Alabama Federation of Women's Clubs. And that sold overnight. And 250. So anybody questions? So maybe Monday I can fill the void a little bit. It's mostly because I'm just tired right now. Was that Cleveland? So my good fight against the, I'm going to continue the matchbook fight. I saw a lot of the comments. People have the same feelings that I do about it. So I will keep at it. I had a thought also, maybe because I hadn't seen it. It was, I don't know, months and months and months ago, it was all over the place, just like it was this week. I wonder if, well, I don't think they were marked new, but I wonder if the dude or whoever maybe did like an end and sell similar or end and relist. And maybe, oh, here it is. Side tangent. This is a greetings card from Thurmont, Maryland, which is just right up the road from me. Pretty big masted sailing schooners there, right? There are no bodies of water even remotely big enough that can hold that. There's ships like that, let alone two of them. So I always find it amusing that whoever had that made up in Thurmont, because I'm sure a local store or something had that made. And they know that there's no way. Uh oh. That there's no way a ship like that is big enough for anything. And there's everything in Thurmont's too small. I gotta find this card. I was looking in AW6 and not AE6. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're in the right spot. I think I have a couple of these, so I need to go make 100% sure. They're pretty cool, hand tinted or hand colored. Just gotta make sure. Yeah, I got the right one. Yeah, maybe the guy did an end and sell similar, end and relist, and it refreshed the algorithm. It's been refreshed, and it kind of puts it toward the top. And so this is my thinking, is that, as the days and weeks and months go by, maybe the algorithm will push it down into postcard listings because they're not postcards. I don't know. I could just be talking out my ass because I don't know how the algorithm works, and I don't think anybody else knows how the algorithm works. Because no one can answer anything. Well, it's the algorithm. Anywho, what are we at? 12 minutes? That's probably long enough for the torture of the day. So I gotta do something. Okay. Come see me on Whatnot tomorrow. Pounders from here. And that's it. Have a good day. Love you. Bye.